Welcome to our virtual tour real estate channel. This channel was created to get you the most from the time you spend looking for residential or commercial properties in the city. Our channel is a virtual tour directory of the most popular and desirable areas of our city. So when you're looking for a property in a specific area or neighborhood, simply select it from one of our featured playlists on the right-hand side of this page. Be sure to subscribe and bookmark our channel for future viewing of the newest and most desirable properties in the city. Subscribe and bookmark us now.